In this lecture, we will be seeing about host-level incident detection, creating ELK use case for monitoring trusted binaries connecting to the internet. So now let's see about the lab 6. Host-level incident detection, creating ELK use case for monitoring trusted binaries connecting to the internet. Scenario: attackers use trusted binaries to download and execute malicious code from remote sources. Attackers mainly use PowerShells as a downloader, lateral movement and file-less threats. Monitoring execution of PowerShell commands to connect the internet will help the SOC analyst to take immediate action to stop damage and prevent further damage from happening. End goal. The objective of this lab is to create ELK SIEM use case for monitoring PowerShell command connecting to the internet for downloading and executing these scripts. So now let's see the lab. So now you can see this is my Windows Server machine, and now let's go and install sysmon file. Now just copy the sysman.zip file to the local disk or C folder. So paste it here. Now extract it here, and after extracting you can delete the zip file. Now navigate to the sysmon folder, and now to initialize it, let's configure the sysmon config export file. Now right click on the sysmon config and open it with the notepad++. Now go to the line number 450. You can use the go to option. Here you can see the go to option. Let's type the line number 450. Press enter. OK. Go. Now you can see it has to the line number 450. Add the following lines now which I type here. These are the compulsory lines which must be typed in the configuration. Now after save the file, and now let's go to the command prompt window. Open it as admin, right click on the Windows logo. Here you can see open the command prompt as an admin. Now navigate to c/sysmon directory to type cd c/sysmon and press enter. And now to install sysmon, click sysmon.exe sysmon.exe -a sysmon config export.xml -accept -h md5 SHA-256 -n -l and press enter. So now you can see it has successfully completed the installation. To auto restart Sysmon service, click scconfig sysmon start is equal to auto and press enter. Service configuration will change to automatic and close the command prompt window. So now navigate to the beats folder, copy the beats folder and paste the copied beats folder under the C drive. Right click. Now after copying, go to the beats folder, open the beats folder and now unzip the winlog beat 6.5.4 Windows version zip file. Click on extract here. After extracting, you can delete the zip file. Now click on the Windows Start button. Go to the Windows Start button and right click on the Windows PowerShell icon and click the Run as Administrator from the context menu. To navigate to Winlog Beta directory, click cd c/bit/winlog beta 6.5.4 dash Windows x86 underscore 64 and press enter. Press the following command. So you can see it has installed and it comes the status as stop. That means it has successfully installed. Let's navigate to the beats folder. Open the winlog beat folder and open the file winlogbeat.yml with the notepad++. Right click and open it with a notepad++. And now navigate to line number 25 and here in the line number 25 add the following property Microsoft Windows sysmon slash operational and now see the alignment that it is properly aligned the properties. Save the now in go to line number after aligning it properly go to line number 71 under section setup.kibana and now here in line number uncomment the host 1. Now change the local host with the IP address of the IP address of the mission with the domain mission which is the onion security mission. It is 10.10.10.67 and leave the port number and after go to line number 98 in the Elasticsearch output section and here also change the localhost with the IP address of the onion security mission. This is a Debian mission and after save the winlogbit.yml file and close it. Now to test the winlogbit configuration switch to the Windows PowerShell and type the following command in the PowerShell and press enter. So if it displays like the following and at last it shows the config OK, then it means that we have successfully saved it. We have successfully saved the configuration. Now close all open windows To start the Winlog beat service, right click on Windows Start button, click the search option and search for the services. Open the services tab. Now to start Winlog beat service, search and select the Winlog beat service. So here you can see Winlog beat service, and now in the left pane there is an option start option. You can start it. Mm, oh, it takes some time and now you can see it has successfully running. Now close the services window and now let's open our security onion mission. It runs on a Linux device. Now let's log in into the security onion mission. So now you can see I have logged into my security onion mission. Now let's open the terminal. Right click on the desktop and you can open the terminal. Here go to the open terminal option. Now to configure the firewall, type the sudo so_so-lo and press enter. Enter the password for the administrator, and to allow the log stash be port number 5044, type B and press enter. Now type B and press enter. Now here you should type the IP address of the Windows Server machine, which is 10.10.10.12. Now enter the IP address of the Windows Server machine and press enter. Now press enter. So you can see the firewall rule is configured, and now let's again configure the Elasticsearch. So now second type sudo so-lo. Now this time select the option E. Type option E and press enter for to allow the Elasticsearch REST endpoint on port number 9200. Press hit enter. Now type the IP address of the server machine, which is 10.10.10.12. Hit enter. You can see I've successfully configured it also. So now close the terminal. Now to launch the Kibana, double click on the Kibana shortcut icon from the desktop, and now click on the advanced options here. Click on the proceed to localhost unsafe. Now here the security onion browser appears, and here log in with the credentials. Now you can see the Kibana homepage will be loading. It will take some time to load. Now you can see here in the Kibana management page, create index pattern screen. Step 1, define the index pattern. So here in step 1 of 2, you can see here, define the index pattern. Now let's go ahead and type winlog beat and star in the index name star search field here. So now you can see it has successfully matched with 12 indices. Now go to the next step, and in step 2 of 2 configure settings, select at the rate of timestamp from the time filter field name drop down and click Now let's click the create index patterns. Click on the create index pattern button. So you can see it has successfully created. So you will see the index pattern page displaying the fields of created index. Click on the discover menu in the left pane menu. So now let's launch our Windows Server 2012 machine. To open PowerShell, click Windows Start button, right click on the PowerShell, run as the administrator. And to use PowerShell to launch the web client and download malicious script, type the following command and press enter. So after executing the following command, close all the windows. Now launch the security onion machine. So now you can see I have opened my security onion machine. Now let's go to the Kibana. Here search in the search index type the following event ID. So after typing the following query in the text box and click on the update button. Now you will see all PowerShell commands with event ID 23. So here you can see the PowerShell command with event ID 3. Let's go and expand this event. You can see all the events. Now let's go and expand the event ID 3. So you will see the details of the following event by following the host source name, source IP, source destination IP. You can identify a host which initiated the connection where it was connected. You can identify any attempt made connected to the internet using trusted binaries connecting PowerShell. So in this exercise, you have learned how to create an ELK SIEM use case for monitoring PowerShell command connecting to the internet for downloading and executing scripts.